We remove the old oil filter, and we have here a drain pan so that we don't make a mess. Okay, while waiting for that to drain, we will check if the new oil filter is the same. Okay, here is the old and here is the new one. We check the part number. It says 123080 A12302 A182. Okay, they are the same. What we do now is we remove the we need a little bit of new oil. It's hard to do this with one hand in a camera. We remove this plastic. Okay, and then we put a little bit of oil on that O-ring. Okay, and then we put the new filter on the car, but first we wipe the excess oil. And here we wipe here to make it clean. Okay, it's now a little bit clean. Okay, time to install this new filter. I will end the video now because I have to use two hands. I cannot, I must use two hands